Hey there, welcome to GTECHAI AI. In this video I'm going to show you how to color grade photo using Pixelcut AI photo color grading. Now, in order to color grade photo, open the Pixelcut. Here inside the Pixelcut, click on filter. Now select the picture you want to color grade. Here click on it. Now here are the color grading colors generated by Pixelcut AI color grading. As you can see it, you see it. Now select the color you want. Here you see it. Now click on the done icon on the top side. Here click on this top icon, also this arrow icon on the top side. Here click on it in order to save it. Now select the dimension ratios you want in order to save it. After selecting it, now click on save. That's how to color grade photo using Pixelcut AI photo color grading. If you found this video helpful, consider liking, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and also subscribe for more AI tools and tech related guide. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video. Watch the next video in order to know how to enhance photo using AI. See you on the next video. Thanks.